Ever find yourself staring at a hefty crypto stack, itching to treat yourself to that new gadget or finally booking that dream vacation, but frustrated by the hoops you gotta jump through to actually spend it? Yeah, me too. The whole point of crypto is financial freedom, but sometimes it feels like it just adds another layer of complication. Well, fear not, crypto comrades. Today we're diving into the world of crypto spending and tackling a question I see pop up a lot. Can you link your Coinbase account to Rocket Money? The short answer? Not directly. But that doesn't mean you're stuck hodling your crypto forever. There are a few workarounds we can explore to bridge that gap between your digital wallet and your daily purchases. Let's break down why a direct link between Coinbase and Rocket Money isn't quite there yet. Coinbase is a cryptocurrency exchange, a platform where you can buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. Think of it like a crypto bank. Rocket Money, on the other hand, is a personal finance app. It helps you manage your bills, track your spending, and even build a budget. Here's the key difference. Coinbase deals in the crypto world, while Rocket Money operates in the traditional fiat currency realm, the good old-fashioned dollars and cents most of us still use for everyday purchases. So, why can't we just connect the two? Well, there are a couple of reasons. Firstly, regulations. The crypto market is still a bit of a wild west, and regulators are still figuring out the best way to handle it. Linking a crypto exchange directly to a budgeting app might raise some red flags for them. Secondly, technical hurdles. Cryptocurrencies operate on a decentralized blockchain system, while traditional finance relies on centralized institutions like banks. Think of it like trying to connect a rotary phone to a smartphone. They both transmit information, but they speak completely different languages. But don't despair. While a direct link isn't there yet, there are a few ways to bridge the gap and use your crypto for real-world purchases. Option 1. Crypto debit cards. This is probably the most straightforward option. Several crypto platforms, including Coinbase, offer debit cards linked to your crypto holdings. Essentially, when you make a purchase with the card, the crypto in your account gets converted to fiat currency at the point of sale, and the merchant receives regular cash. It works just like a regular debit card, but the money comes from your crypto wallet. Here's a heads up though, transaction fees can vary depending on the platform and the specific card you choose. Do your research and compare options before diving in. Option 2. Peer-to-peer, P2P, platforms. Think of P2P platforms like online marketplaces where you can connect with other users to buy and sell things, except here, instead of used furniture, you're trading crypto for cash. There are several reputable P2P platforms out there that allow you to sell your crypto for fiat currency and then transfer it to your bank account or budgeting app like Rocket Money. Option 3. Crypto bill pay services. A newer option on the scene is crypto bill pay services. These services act as intermediaries between you, your crypto holdings, and your bills. You connect your crypto wallet and your bank account to the service, and then you can set up automatic payments for your bills using your crypto. Important note, crypto is volatile. Before we wrap up, remember this crucial point, the crypto market is volatile. The value of your crypto holdings can fluctuate significantly, so it's important to factor that risk in when considering using it for everyday spending. Maybe don't use your Bitcoin to buy that morning latte, it might be worth more next week. The future of crypto spending. So, can you directly link Coinbase to Rocket Money? Not quite yet, but with the crypto space evolving rapidly, that might change down the road. In the meantime, the options we explored today, crypto debit cards, P2P platforms, and crypto bill pay services, offer some creative ways to bridge the gap between your crypto holdings and your everyday spending. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.